Right, I was yeah, back to us. And so, we could as I guess or China or a car digital center, of one year sector debate no air brownty, cash and society, a family, my share or na bibia to kuira. Ye kind of sad on age, and so I'm kwaba at the abago can see or Belgium so and pay. And some other talks to the Safata South in a Bobarona, a chiniku food, a brew. Sergio Manucho Bernard Panibo Chemi producers Kejuan and Cassani Eric Casiedu Bwedi Ebeshen 7 pass all their fee who sees from clubs a hold on ahead of the new season. Now Kopiemu Man City I don't know matches out where Coso the other ones back Coso likes of United, Real Madrid, Arsenal, Liverpool. I'm more keke when you know be Bondia Barcelona. The video cheap I was sending home some and so AC at ye Hornomon so Chelsea for so go so since nim the almost inside concerns no more players baby do baby na some buy am dressing room mu ti almost sang go shoes inside na no more call my aja chalo ba ofie say obi openi bia me fa ne nko no more sensan bi ba na ma ko fa goalkeeper ba che say asensan ya no mo go so sensan hwe say na wonsam besi akọ enso e wo ho enum na yemfo ne mrafi na yenhwe say ne fie sam no so esi etere Ghanaian Premier League August said anymore na e hyase de ne de nyasam keto akra na ye bowura mu akwa animo no chese kwata kra in September ano ho de ne yatesi kwan animo a aye de now the Ghana Football Association now den sama batudwa say season aye wura mu no midweek games Ghana Premier League ne ton kwanta o ma pa say ye ball midweek biem adentia transportation on semontia ebunchemu ni
sane ebeye na boboku asi akan o Ghana League ne mu omakwantusem ebekoye no mo ho be ha o mo ninti anura GFA o mo di season fufura ye besimu no eda ede besi akan nyina aba abatudwa wo mo kire se midweek matches no enya de a season fufura ye besimu no ebeba so wo mo kire se na wotwe wie ye nko a ehya se free fiada edwoada ena kansie ne nyina abeba so eno beboa ena boboku abetu kwan tenten no eswate September ne de toso nsia ano efiada Ghana League no 2024-2025 no season ni hyase hono mo a June de toso nwotwe no 2025 akense ni nyina abawie omo kire se nyaade ombekwa atwene emu da ayise na wotwe a Ghana bato kese na eba so no eno mom ena omakwadwo amahome no bibia akwakoto aba afi omo musia kan wo CAF Champions League ene CAF Confederations Cup no nso ombema omo kwan na omakwesi omakan aba na standing match ni bi wo hɔ no mo a omabesi akan no ewukuada
right and when she won on the Ghanaian Premier League bad in September no ho ani atiesi kwan mu and say midweek game be baswara outstanding game for omo kwa Africa no ntika hye no so afam yenkopie mu na no RTU ade bia na yenwanwa pa o the players bia Omo nye RTU players kwa kusi akan my honsam ye deja nei the Ghana Football Association empanifo at the tabo atoma pampa mu emunchemu ne
disciplinary committee at the Ghana Football Association at the 100,000 cedis sikabotin de ato RTU boboko iso a wo mo kire se season atwam no akansi etoso aduonu wotwe wabra mo dim sasi ade pomu a RTU omo de players a ye register omo ekoko hihye mu kosi akan nti ensam no ne omo bua RTU empenifo no bi ade boboko na nkasa omo so ye hye enye sika yi nko a na omo de to omo so officials a no mu din wo paper so wabra sa da no RTU any dreams as di bo mu no GF empenifo se afi ba ko ban omo de ato omo so so mu na mu mfikyire ehu se nkwada akra bank etwade a omo mu nhwe bi enya sa omaso ba hye afenya no nko a owura ne dia di Idi Al-Hassan Abdul Samed Idrisu Abdul Gafaru Salifu Tango Gentuma ana fe Sylvester Apanka wemini mpenimfo a GF mpenimfo hwe ne mu so mbeja bobo achidi e wo Ghana ha enya sa na semra na chiwon a aban kukumu ene ye di omukwa akotwere.
Right, and so I know the Koso or but you feel na yemra me piemu. or the disciplinary committee of the Ghana Football Association. Now, more NSMB betuto to ya yana bibrina ese omo entiase na to da bia na so mo die mebi mo adi no Prosper Senado wono na wo ye general secretary de the Ghana Football Association e de samoba say ogide say adwuma the DC of the GFA last season no adwuma so e ko so ye pa no ogide say season a to aso ba no so o adwuma na be ko gai.
It comes to committee, disciplinary committee or ethics, when you are before a committee, and I've been a disciplinary committee chairman before, players come and cry. Forget what they say on radio. People will be interviewed on radio, they will say all sorts of things and be macho about things. When they come before the committee, one question, they will start crying. There are people who say they are soothsayers. Right. They can see the scoreline. I don't doubt them. I don't worry about them. All I want is the game to be played fairly. And the burden is on all of us, including the supporters. That burden is on all of us. Sometimes it's funny you hear club officials saying, and the GFA. You are the GFA. We cannot look at people's tribe, people's school, and all those things, stretch it and say that. Because when you do that, very soon you are going to have only about few referees handling matches of a particular team, and you want all the referees to go around. When it comes to
Mr. Prosper Senado, one na Okopiemo Ghana Football Association, our General Secretary, Ordinance Samsa Echo Eja. Observation is one, Sana Pace, I was sharing House of Folk, Kumasa Santa Kotoko, Mania Bregusus and Sign, Eresanema Betimakoye, has no more than a catch the Kaka, since the place the Bomoni Mudin Koma. Na yes something which is there by BSF for fans and almost time be all honey idea coach castle player we are sabaya best sign a man no na something which is there to go to actually here say no Morris say when you has there no can train and ask a back or there was sign be a fire or go so sign equity until to say yes a pa near there yeah Sergio Manucho ne Bernard Padibo training me producers and songo stick na ye hwe ade atiasimu a hwede ne Mr. Patrick Osageman countryman songo de Brian but ya na de mfidi na ye adwuma ana face internet intino na no pass internet na abonani ye na na obuye ni chi ya na abuye ni chi ama ya ne se SADC ni ade a but na no pa ma chia Mr. Alex Blankson Bear Beverages head of sales was Ashanti region Mr. Alex Blankson obojma ya chairman nano pay on Adom TV in Niagara. They invited Mr. Alex Blankson to the sectorial debates on Friday. Accra Digital Center. When we say one Bear Beverages in Pennyphone, which Mr. Alex Blankson. But I say greetings going out to you from all of us here at Adom TV. I was the Accra Digital Center. Feeder health to the Hunya Paye. Yes, and but you say better abano. I catch you. Say na ya muhu. Say what to akwa na say what to akwa. Afi nya se me okoko me otuntum bia translate tie de obi ade ba what I say nya kokko otuntum bia da bi say de dipani ada ho ye nto aba ne sa keke kokromoti ne boarding titie so we dey kai ye tosum we no ba be boy tie no na me de kokko tim so ama no what I say sectorial debate ebe mo hu sa ne ma nyina ati fie da 7:30 live on Adom TV and also live from the Accra Digital Center. Yana wakai ede nankasa kakejwa ne ho Eric Asiedu bwere ya fia mankwa atama Claudia pomode wonsam beto aso ye wi ade aka ina na eba no bedwam ne koso ahwe